Mom and Dad. Thank you.
Sorry for interruption. All others, please keep quiet.
Good morning, Mom and Dad. Thank you for coming to my SLC today. My name is Arham. My hobbies are drawing, cricket, and chess. My favorite subject is math and empathy because I like to solve problems and I like to learn about UAE in past. I have learned my term 3, like tell the time and how to tell the story. I'm so excited to tell you what I have learned in term 3. Let's start with science. I have learned about types of soil: sandy soil, clay soil, chalky soil, silty soil, peaty soil, and loamy soil. Soil draining experiment. Sandy soil drains so fast and it doesn't take any water. And clay soil drains very slow and it doesn't drain very fast like sandy soil. And loamy soil is faster than clay soil. In the soil layers, we have topsoil with humus, subsoil, parent material, and bedrock. Now I will tell you about math. Charlie is visiting the fun fair. This is when he arrives at the fair. 5 minutes later, he is on the roller coaster. What time is it? As you can see, it's 9. 5 minutes. It will be 9:10. Time arrived. Interval of 11:10. The storytelling competition at AIS Primary for Year 3 started at 9 a.m. and lasted for 2 hours and 20 minutes. At what time did the competition end? When the AIS Primary Year 3 started, it was 9 o'clock. After 2 hours and 20 minutes, it will be 11:20. In English, I have learned about non-chronological report. What is a non-chronological report? A non-chronological report is a non-fiction text that shares the true facts. It means that it's real. Key feature. What makes a great report? Title, introduction, subheadings, fact in present tense, written in third person technical vocabulary, label, diagrams, or image. Now in MSc, I have learned topic solutions. I am going to solve problem like a pro. Scenario 1. I forgot to bring my homework to school. What should I do? I will tell sorry to the teacher and I will bring it tomorrow. My friend, I have bought water issue. I will take time. Scenario 3. I spilled juice on the classroom. What should I do next? I will clean the juice. Scenario 4. I don't understand a math problem. How can I solve the problem? I will ask help from the teacher. Scenario 5. I was feeling left out and received because my friends were playing a game that I don't like. First I will play my friend's game, then I will play my Maggie. In humanities, I have learned 3 river civilizations and how they lived. First, ancient Sumer. These all 3 river civilizations lived near river for irrigation, farming, and drinking. My PBLA project. In my PBLA project, my country was USA. In MSc, I compared USA to education, hospitality, and greeting. In maths, I compared the currency of AED to US dollar.
Now it's time for feedback. So, what are you thinking about his presentation?
Very good. Really appreciate the teacher. Really, that's he prepared. Yeah, very nice. Very good.
Excellent, Arham.
Yeah, it's excellent.
Good, Arham. Keep it up.
Thank you, Mom and Dad, for coming to my SLC. And thank you, my teacher, to make me prepare about my SLC.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Very good. Very
Clap for Arham.
Now, Ibrahim.
Now, Ibrahim, your turn.
Ready?
Good morning, Mom and Dad. Welcome to my SLC. tell you about my hobbies and my favorite subject. My hobby is to play football and to paint. And my favorite subject is English, Science, MSc, Humanities and Math. That's it. Now I will tell you about learning highlights. I will start from science. This is the types of soil. This is sandy soil, clay soil, rocky soil, and city soil, peaty soil, and loamy soil. This sandy soil is having small particles. So sandy soil drains water slow, and clay soil is having small particles. So this is draining water so slow, and this is draining water quickly. This is soil draining experiment. Sandy soil, clay soil, and loamy soil. Sandy soil is draining water 40 ml. Clay soil is draining water 5 ml, and loamy soil is draining 50 ml.
Okay.
And this is soil layers: topsoil and humus, subsoil, parent material, bedrock. Charlie is visiting the fun fair. This is when he arrives at the fair. 5 minutes later, he is on the roller coaster. What time is it? So now it's 9:05. So after 5 minutes, it will be 9:10.
Baby,
The
take
story-
Ibrahim. Take.
The storytelling competition at AIS Primary for Year 3 is starting at 9 a.m. and lasted for 2 hours and 20 minutes. At what time did the competition end? So you can see this is 9 o'clock. After
2 hours.
2 hours and
20 minutes.
10, 11 and after that 20.
Okay.
11, 20. 11, 20.
Okay.
So I will tell about English non-chronological report. What is a non-chronological report? A non-chronological report is a non-fiction text that shares true facts. Key features. What makes a great report? Title, introduction, subheading, fact in the present tense, written in third person, technical vocabulary, label, diagram, or image. MSc solution. I will solve this question like a pro. Scenario 1. I forgot to bring my homework to school. What should I do? I will ask teacher sorry and I will bring it tomorrow. Scenario 2. My friend and I both want to use the same thing. What is the fair solution? Do one by one. Scenario 3. I spilled juice on the classroom floor. What should I do next? I will tell auntie to clean it. Scenario 4. I don't understand a math problem. How can I solve it? I will tell the math teacher to help. Scenario 5. I was feeling left out at recess because my friends were playing a game I didn't like. First I will let them play. After that I will play. I about 3 river civilization: ancient Sumer, Indus Valley civilization, Shang dynasty. These three civilizations are located in the near the river. So you can see this ancient Sumer. They are using water for farming, and they use for cooking, and they use for growing plants. My PBLA project. In my PBLA project, I compare USA and UAE, and I did art and craft. In math, I compare AD and US dollar, and in English, I did USA story, and that's it. Family feedback.
Yeah, really. Very
Excellent,
good.
Ibrahim.
Excellent. Good boy. Very good.
Thank you, mom and dad, to coming to my SLC, and thank you, teacher, to prepare me for SLC.
Thank you.
Thank you. Very good. Clap for Ibrahim.
Very good.
लास्ट डे स्कूल दोनों ने अच्छा किया है. एजन एजन तुम्हें जान छूट गई। आगे से बोल रहा है हाँ कुछ रह तो नहीं गया, देख लो एक दफा।
आई पढ़ चेक करना।